Hi, this is Connie. Welcome to our second video about how to learn Chopin's Prelude, Opus 28, number 7. In this video, we will be learning the second phrase. It starts right here, and it goes to that part of that measure. So it starts halfway through this measure and goes halfway through that measure. You recognize the phrase by the slur. That means to play smooth and connected. Also, the pedaling is just for that one phrase. And see, there's a rest up, and there's a rest here at the beginning. So this is what we'll focus on. You can print out your music. I'm going to switch to the video of, the link is in the description box to get this music. Down here it says it is a free score. So you could go to that website or just click on the link below and you can print it off from there. Okay, here we are on the second phrase. Now we ended on the first phrase right here with these two thumbs kind of crossed over. Now it's a rest in the left hand, so there's nothing in the left hand. Let's do the left hand first. From here, we're on an octave E. We're going to reach down to this A right here. A. Now our thumb comes right back to the E that we played before, but this time instead of an E below, it comes up to an A. So, not hard. All right, the right hand. We were right here. So it leaves these two fingers to come up and catch these next two notes, which is an F sharp on the top and a D. Now my hands are not very big. I have rather small hands. That's an uncomfortable reach for me. It really kind of puts some pressure here. So I switch it to the third finger. Much more comfortable for me. If you have bigger hands and that is fine for you, do that. If not, put your 3 right there. The reason I don't want you to do that is because the 3 has to play the next note, but this works fine for me. So 3 and 5. Then we go to a B sharp, which is a C, and D sharp. And then look, this 2 and 4 finger are ready to play C sharp and E. Now we're going to take a little leap, like 1 and leap off the piano. It's like a little jump, so that your thumb can play that same note where your 2 was. You have to jump it out of the way, and your pinky lands on A. Okay, so it's the pedal will be holding the sound through while you make this little leap. Now we're up here on thumb and pinky. Now you've got to switch to your 2 where the thumb is for the next 2 notes. Now in the last video we talked about not repeating the same note when it's a melody. So in this case, in order for setting it up for where we need to go next, you kind of need to still end on your pinky. So 1, it changes to 2, and that changes enough of the hand position, but you're going to have to fully lift for this last note of the phrase. So it starts here. 1, 2, 2. Now if we put that together, okay, I didn't switch my 2. I was thinking of the pedal. Sorry about that. Okay, about the pedal. It's the same as the last phrase. If you'll notice, this E sharp and D sharp are not part of the chord of that phrase. The chord is A, E, C sharp. That's the chord. These don't fit if we play them together. So we don't want them pedaled together. So we have to pedal right here. This can play all by itself. I usually put the pedal down right between those first 2 notes. Now we have to lift the pedal because it's that new chord. So pedal down, pedal up and down. Beautiful. Okay, do that until it's second nature and memorized. See you on the next video.